Hello everyone, welcome to VitalGlowLife, your ultimate guide to health and wellness. Today, we're delving into the world of bone health, an essential aspect of our overall well-being. We'll explore how certain foods can boost your bone density and strength. From dairy products to leafy greens and even fish, there's a world of nutrition waiting to bolster your skeletal system. So, are you ready to discover the foods that can help you maintain healthy bones? Stay tuned. First on our list of foods that promote bone health are dairy products. Dairy is a powerhouse of essential nutrients, especially calcium, which plays a pivotal role in maintaining bone health. Drinking a glass of milk, for instance, is like giving your bones a hug from the inside out. Now, if you're not a fan of milk, fret not. Cheese is another excellent source of calcium. With its rich, creamy texture and delicious taste, it's a treat for your taste buds and your bones. And let's not forget about yogurt. This versatile food can be enjoyed in so many ways, as a snack, a side dish, or even a dessert. Including these dairy products in your daily diet not only adds variety to your meals, but also ensures a regular supply of calcium to your bones. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to stock up on these calcium-rich foods. If you're not a fan of dairy, don't worry. Leafy green vegetables are another excellent source of calcium. And it's not just calcium they pack. These vibrant veggies are a powerhouse of nutrients, essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Spinach, kale, and broccoli, to name a few, are rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health, helping to slow the breakdown of bones. Moreover, they are abundant in magnesium, a mineral that's essential for bone formation and calcium absorption. And let's not forget about the mighty broccoli, a superfood in its own right, boasting significant amounts of both calcium and vitamin C, a nutrient that assists in calcium absorption. So while they might not be the star of your meal, these leafy greens play a substantial supporting role in your bone health. They're versatile, delicious, and can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. So consider adding a side of greens to your meals for a bone-healthy boost. Our third food group that's great for bone health is fish. If you're looking for a tasty dish that's also beneficial to your bones, look no further than the sea. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are swimming with nutrients that contribute to bone health. One of the key nutrients found in these types of fish is vitamin D. Often called the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones. It helps the body absorb calcium, which is the building block of our bones. Without enough vitamin D, our bones can become thin and brittle. But don't worry if you're not a fan of fatty fish. There are plenty of other fish in the sea, and many of them also provide beneficial nutrients for bone health. So whether you're a fan of grilled salmon, baked mackerel, or even a simple tuna sandwich, try to include fish in your diet at least twice a week. So why not try adding some fish to your diet for a tasty way to support your bones? So there you have it. Dairy products, leafy green vegetables, and fish are all great for maintaining healthy bones. We've journeyed together through the world of bone health, discovering the nutritional powerhouses that can help keep our skeletal system strong. We've seen how dairy products loaded with calcium and vitamin D are the building blocks for healthy bones. We've discovered how leafy green vegetables rich in vitamin K can aid in bone mineralization and protect against osteoporosis. And we've dived into the sea of omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, which are essential for reducing inflammation and promoting bone health. But our journey doesn't stop here. There's a whole universe of foods out there that can contribute to our bone health. From fruits and nuts to whole grains and lean proteins, the possibilities are endless. It's up to us to explore, experiment, and find what works best for our bodies. After all, health is not a destination, but a journey. And every step we take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a happier, more fulfilling life. So, let's keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep making choices that nourish our bodies and fuel our lives. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to VitalGlowLife for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant.